what you have learned till now in your corporate life, because the kind of experience that you have gathered, it's quite diversified. So, what are your learnings? Now, I'm sure community members would like to take a lot of learnings from this question and the answer that you will say.
Correct. Um, so as soon as I stepped into the corporate life, the first thing which I realized was how important practical knowledge is. Like we might do an MBA or PhD or anything, like we might study a lot, read books. But why is practical knowledge so important? Because when you go out there on the field, what you learn, that is something that nobody else can teach you. Even if you read a lot of books, but what you learn on the field, what you learn by yourself, that is something that nobody can teach you. And that is why corporate knowledge, being in a corporate is so important, because you get that experience, you learn from your experience, you grow, you slowly grow in the corporate world. Also, when we look at other aspects, it could also be like it's very important in the corporate world to build connections, because in the marketing world, having different perspectives is marketing is all about having different perspectives. There's no certain way of marketing. There's no hard and fast rule of marketing. There's no jargon as such. But then how you build connections, you make trustworthy connections, you meet different people, you get to know about their company, their roles. So that is also an important factor. And also something that I have also seen that failure we would always encounter in our career. Like it's just something that it is just there. So how we can not concentrate on not concentrate on how we failed, but to as to why we failed, and how can we grow ahead, because that is something that would make us more successful. It is like learning from your experiences, learning from your surroundings, grasping as much as you can. And all of those things, I believe these are like some of the major things that I have learned in my corporate life.
So, what are two, three things you would suggest to the freshers who would be just starting their career they should not do?
They should not do. Okay. Um I think that when they start off, it is they should just look at the job description and what it would be adding to your life, to your career, and definitely not on the salary, because what when you start off, it's your first job is always very important. What it teaches you, not just in terms of the knowledge, but also it adds a lot of value to your personal life. Once you start a career, you just eventually become very confident as a person, not just at your workplace, but even at your home or wherever. You just start growing as a person. So we need to choose the right job, to choose something that we like, because it should not be like, oh, I have to go to a work today, but it should be like, I have to work today. That is the enthusiasm that we need when we are out there working. You need to choose a job of that type. And something that I noticed as a fresher was also like to grasp every opportunity that comes to you, to not leave anything, to take everything possible, whatever comes to you. It's very important to take initiatives at work. Like when I started off, I was very hesitant at work. Like, I would be very hesitant to ask any questions like, why is this happening? What is this? And all of that. But you are curious and you have to keep asking questions, because if we don't ask questions, you will not learn. It's okay even if it's stupid. You have just started it off. You will learn only when we go out there, only when we ask questions is how we learn. So this is something that's very important, to keep asking questions, to grasp every opportunity, to learn from our colleagues, because like I said, everybody has a different perspective, they have a different point of view. So to learn from them, to be open, like to just understand, okay, so this is my take, so what is your take, to understand different things. And I believe, lastly, it is also to never give up. Like it is, we will see many ups and downs in our career. There will be times where we feel demotivated, where we feel like, why is this not working out? But no, we should not give up. We will learn, and that's how we will keep growing in our career. We have to be that constant. We have to keep putting in the same amount of hard work every single day. because that's how we keep growing in this field.
And what would be your tips to the fresher who will just start their career in this COVID times?
In this COVID times, I think when now that they are starting in the COVID times, it would mostly be digital. So I believe to have the same enthusiasm what they would have if they were out there, to not because when we are at homes we just tend to get lethargic. So not be that kind, to not have that mindset to learn as much as we can, and not just apart from our work, to even learn externally, maybe some course, or maybe some new terms that they're hearing at their workplace, to also connect with people. Because I mean, this is something even I'm facing. It's difficult to connect with people online, but it's okay. I think this is the new normal that we all have to accept in our lives. We don't know when the pandemic will end. So to connect with people, to make the right amount of connections, to talk to them, to understand what is their roles in the company, what are they doing, what are their aspirations. I think every day to keep growing, to not leave that enthusiasm, and to learn something new every single day.
That's I really love the answer you mentioned, and that's how the one person should have a this freshers in fact should have a purview of how to take their life ahead or how to take their experience ahead in the COVID times. I appreciate that. Finally, coming to an end of our conversation, what are your thoughts on the marketing solar community initiatives?
Sachin, personally, I feel this is an amazing initiative, because we as marketers, we would love to know what is others' experiences in the same field. Like right now, what I have shared, but if you talk to another marketer, they would have another perspective. And I would definitely, I watched all of the videos on your channel, and I would definitely love to know what each and every single person is thinking, and what is their perspective and what is their point of view, because that way I'm learning more things. I'm understanding, oh, so this can be done that way as well. So I'm understanding new things. So it's an amazing initiative, and I would definitely recommend all the aspiring marketeers out there to join the community, because I would love to actively participate in the community, and to give in and to learn, most importantly to learn and grow here as much as we can. This is something that's a very different initiative, something I've come across for the first time. So I would say it's like really nice, and all the very best to this thing.